What's your favorite thing about the holiday season? Because for me, it's all about the deals, the fun, and the merry. So today, I'm bringing my top home kitchen kits and family gift guide ideas, guys. You know this week is Black Friday, it's Cyber Monday, it's going to be happening. So let me just go ahead and share with you guys all my gift guide.
You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better.
So I'm not ashamed to say that I'm that friend or I'm that girl that would wait till Black Friday and Cyber Monday to shop all the things I've been eyeing throughout the year. So guys, like this video, of course, it's everything I've been eyeing throughout the year, guys. Like there, some things that you really like, but it's kind of maybe too pricey that you just want to get it in a deal. Like you want to get it in a very, very good deal. So I had a lot of things in my wish list, but let's just start from this outfit right here, guys. I absolutely love the colors of this sweater. I decided to pick up some coats for Ace, as you guys can see, and his coat actually has the same color in my sweater. And also we picked up a bike. Like I really have been eyeing this bike all year. And another thing is, it was a little too big for Ace when earlier in the year, so I knew he needed to kind of grow into it. So of course it was definitely in my wish list, so I picked that up for him and he absolutely loved that bike, guys. And next, you guys know this video, it's all about opening of packages. So another thing that have been on my wish list has been kind of a second vacuum. If you guys noticed, I only have one vacuum. I have the Dyson vacuum, so I knew I needed another vacuum. And of course, I took advantage of the Walmart annual event happening right now. It's starting today till of course Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Like they have a lot of deals, guys, a lot of deals. Those things that are full prices, this is the perfect time for you to go ahead and get them, because you're going to be getting them in a very good deal, like 30% off, 40% off. So I took advantage of that and I picked up a vacuum. And like I said, this is going to make a great gift guide. Like if you're the type of person that love giving people valuable gifts, that is my kind of person, guys. Like I love giving people home gifts, like they say, give the gift of home. Like I love giving people like homely things, because you guys know, like you should know by now that I'm a very homely person. So I'm not into, gifts that don't really like people. It's not like people are not going to appreciate. Of course, it's a gift, whatever you give people. But I just love to put a lot of thoughts and emotion into my gifts. So these products right here, I was like, you know what? This is going to make a great gift ideas, for you guys. So I decided to feature them in today's video. As you guys can see, that vacuum is the business. Like, oh my gosh, I was so surprised when I put it on, and it has this kind of glide feature on it. Like when you're vacuuming, it's slowly gliding on the floor. Even my Dyson that is almost $1,000 wasn't like, it didn't have that feature. This right here, it made it so much easier for me to use this vacuum to vacuum my floor. So I'm just so excited. I'm so happy that now I have a second vacuum machine.
Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better.
For a brand new machine, guys, this was absolutely super easy to use. Like I'm the type of person that I don't have patience going through manual. I just used my head to set this up and they were just functioning perfectly, guys. Of course, can you imagine, like these are the things I just swept out from my home, guys. Like I was so surprised. Like I was like, oh my gosh, like that was my house, because usually I'm always cleaning and vacuuming and everything. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm just so happy that now I have a second vacuum, and this vacuum, it's really like I was very impressed, when I used it. I just love that gliding effect. Like if you have this vacuum, let me know if you understand what I'm talking about. It just slowly glides on the floor, which I absolutely love, guys. And of course, the next package, I'm going to open this up. I actually picked up few things, like I said. I just took advantage of this sale happening right now, the Black Friday sale and also Cyber Monday sale. So, of course, I've been eyeing the KitchenAid mixer. Yes, it's called the mixer. I've been eyeing that, and also I love these plates and also the set of pots. If you guys know, I only have my carawel pots, and I knew I needed to add another set of pots to my kitchen, so I decided to pick up some pots, some dinnerware, and also this KitchenAid mixer. I really like, you see that the bowl. I love that bowl. I've been like, ever since this year, I've been eyeing this particular KitchenAid mixer and also the bowl. So of course, I had to take up advantage of this Black Friday sale to pick up the KitchenAid mixer and also the bowl and other things, guys. Of course, if you're interested in anything you see me showing here, definitely check my description box, because you guys already know I link everything right in my description box. But yep, I can't wait. Like, we're going to be making some Christmas cookies and, you know, some Christmas pastries very, very soon, and I can't wait. Also, I picked up this Sophia dinnerware. I've been in need of a white dinnerware, guys, and when I saw this one, it had very, very nice and beautiful designs on them. Like, I'm the type of person that I love designs, you know, on my dinnerware, but I don't like it to be overbearing, right? But this one right here was just perfect. It still retained that kind of white. It's kind of whitish cream, which I absolutely love. If you know me well, you know I love white, I love cream. So when I saw the dinnerware, I was like, oh, like, I really need this. So I picked that up. It came in a set of four for each, so it's a 4-serving dinnerware. So it has the round plates, it has the smaller plates, and also it has the bowl, so you can use this to serve 4 people, I believe. 4, 8, 12. Yeah, it came in a set of 12, which I absolutely love. Look at that design, guys. Can you guys see how nice and how unique and how elegant that looks? Like, oh my gosh, like when I saw this dinnerware, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna pick this up. It's so cute. And also I love the gold rim, you know, on it. So out of everything I bought for this holiday gift guide, guys, like, you see this cookware set. This was like I would say this is the highlight of the whole thing, because I've seriously been in need of a cookware, and when I saw this Pioneer Woman's cookware, it came with a lot of things. It came with the spoons, it came with the utensils, it came with a lot. When I saw it, I was like, and also, as you guys can see, it's cream, it's white. So when I saw it, I was just so in love. And the fact that, you know, it came with other accessories, like I said, these are gonna make a perfect like gift if you're thinking of, you know, gifting people, maybe for housewarming, you know, just thoughtful gifts, guys. I feel like this is just going to be perfect, and especially that, you know, you're going to be saving a great deal, you know, with them, especially now with Black Friday and Cyber Monday. You know, if you were to buy these things on their regular prices, they're definitely, you know, on the expensive side. But, you know, if you take advantage of the sale, which, like I said, I'm going to link everything in my description box. And yep, guys, I really love it. I believe that with these, guys, I'm okay for the year. Like, I was able to get everything on my wish list already. So yep, guys, definitely take advantage of Walmart's annual event happening right now. And till my next video, I will see you all very soon. Bye.